This video breaks down the distinct illustrative style behind the promotional and concept art of Final Fantasy XIV and why it stands out immediately on the page. This style differs from the in-game models. It emphasizes expressive character designs, clear forms, and a balance of detail that makes the illustrations visually striking. First, consider the line art. The drawings rely on lines that shift from thin to thick, tapering naturally to indicate form and shadow. This variable line weight helps define rounded surfaces, the direction of light, and subtle shifts in volume. The line work is created with a tool capable of smooth tapering similar to a mapping pen. There is no heavy outer outline. Instead, the entire illustration uses the same type of controlled line variation. Because of this, consistency is important. Lines that are too thin or too heavy in the wrong places can disrupt the look of the style. Next, the hatching technique. Even though the artwork can look highly detailed, the hatching is used sparingly and only where it clarifies form. It appears on armor, clothing, the underside of hair, and in select shadow areas. Curved hatching marks are placed where surfaces turn away from the light, helping the viewer read the shape. In contrast, the skin, especially the face, is kept clean. This prevents the drawing from feeling cluttered and keeps attention on the character's expression. This balance of detailed areas and clean areas is one of the defining strengths of the style. Hatching enhances material surfaces such as fabric, metal, and hair, while the open, untextured skin provides visual rest and directs focus. When applying these principles to a drawing, begin with a sketch, then create a rough pass using the same type of tapered lines. After that, refine the line art by adding controlled hatching only where it supports form. Leave the skin clear. Use line variation to indicate shadows and structure without overworking the drawing. These simple rules, controlled line weight, selective hatching, and clean facial areas can enhance clarity and detail while maintaining an elegant, readable illustration.